Are you ready, Mr. Pugs? Because today is the mother and daughter versus cupcake challenge. This is the first annual mother-daughter nailed it cupcake challenge. You ready? Who's gonna win this nailed it mother-daughter cupcake challenge?
Me.
You think so? How old are you, Zoe? 8 years old, 3rd grade? Yeah. What do you do for a living, Zoe?
Cuddle.
You're a professional cuddler? Yeah? Now, why are you here for this cake challenge, this nailed it challenge?
So I can beat you?
Oh, okay.
How old are you?
I'm 40. And I'm your mom.
No. You're Wonder Woman.
I'm Wonder Woman. I'm recording you, goofball.
I know.
Are you juicing up for the nailed it cupcake challenge, though?
No.
What do we need to heat the oven at?
I don't know. 350. I don't know what the F means.
Degrees Fahrenheit.
Degrees Fahrenheit. For shiny metal or glass pan, or 325 Fahrenheit.
What about cupcakes? We're making cupcakes. Does it say?
I bet you got trash.
Careful. Okay, we got eggs. What else do we need?
We need a vegetable oil.
I like the vegetable Oreo. Or vegetable oil. You're so cute.
See, it looks like it. Right there. Veg- We can add the vegetable oil. Yeah!
Do you know how to crack eggs?
No.
Okay, hit it on the table or on the counter and then put it over the bowl and crack
Over
it.
here?
Mm-hmm. Do you see the crack? Is there a crack in there? Or do it that way too, that's fine. That's pretty good.
Now, ew.
All right,
Gross.
let's do the next one. That's better. Okay, one more. Do it on the counter, hon.
Yeah, look. Uh-oh.
Close.
Ew, it sounds gross.
Mm-hmm. I need help. I need to press my panic button.
You're coming. What's the problem?
You don't sound very Frenchy.
That's because I took English lessons. Hurry. Tom's almost out! Tom's almost out!
How much time do we have? I don't know. We forgot to start the clock.
Okay, I'll start the clock.
We don't have a Nicole.
I'll be the Nicole.
You'll be the Nicole?
Yeah,
All right. We're making cupcakes. What? No? Is that how you're going to do this?
I don't know.
All right.
How you do it? Scoop it.
Yeah, you can scoop it if you want.
I was wondering what it smelled.
Does it smell good?
Stop.
Zoe,
Yes.
now what are you going to do with all that money you're going to win from this show? If you win.
I'll use it on. Puppy dogs! What? Where?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, baby one. Can I?
Mm-hmm. Can you grab it?
Can I eat one?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to try some buttercream? No. It's good. No.
No.
It tastes like vanilla. No. Yeah, it does. No, I'm not going to eat it. I'm not gosh. I'm just asking you. No, I'm not going to eat it.
So.
Oh, you did that?
That's mine.
Oh, you almost messed it up. I'm going coffee now.
So.
Why did you make this?
Why or how?
With chocolate.
Why keep mine here?
I'm going to get it. No? Oh, that's a smart idea.
It's so weird. It's like lunch or roll bed.
Why wouldn't she? Mine's much more.
Are you doing this in less than an hour?
No.
Mom, look! Dad, look at! Dad, look at Mama's panda!
I know, it's so cute.
No, it's awesome. That's not as cute as mine.
Of course not.
Of course not.
Is it good?
Serving 3 apples. That's just like awesome to creepy.
You want awesome to creepy?
Well, it's cool though. And come look at Mama. Come look at Mama's cupcake. No, I'm making my second.
Nailed it.
Yep, this one.
And the winner of the cupcake challenge will win this beautiful trophy. Where's that trophy? Wes? 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 We got a spatula. We got tongs. And a digital pocket thermometer for a prize. You'll be the envy of all your 3rd grade friends.
I'll go get the judges.
Well, hello there, guest judge, trash panda, and puppy dog. Which one did you like best?
We're thinking here. We think the most decorative is Jackie Eisler. And the most tasteful is taste it first. Is that
Even though we made it from the same cake box.
yeah, but like it depends on like the there's some different hair. There's hair. At least it tastes much better.
Oh, okay.
You should have added hair in it.
Yes.
That's only one problem.
Oh. Thank you, guest judges.
It's just the lace.